All right, guys, here we go. So here is an example of how we solve our long division problem. Remember, this is one way of doing it. If you feel comfortable with this way, then make it happen. All right, so let's go with 2,805 divided by 6. All right, remember, so I have 2,805, and I want to see how many times I can subtract 6. All right, so down this side, I'm just going to try some amount of groups. So first I'm going to say, well, I don't know, maybe I can take out 300 groups. Well, what is 300 groups of 6? Well, remember, I can just do 3 times 6, which is 18, and then I have my 2 zeros. My next step is to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 8. And then 28 minus 18 is 10. All right, so I can definitely take out some more groups here. So I'm going to try that. Let's see. Maybe I can take out, let's try 200 groups. So 200 groups of 6. Again, I can do 2 times 6, which is our 12 with 2 zeros. All right, so I had 1,000. I'm trying to take away 1,200. That's not enough. So I made a mistake. 200 groups was too much. All right, it's okay to make that mistake the first time. We have to be able to check it and say, you know what, that was too much. Well, if 200 groups didn't work, I'm going to go with 100 groups. All right, 100 times 6 is 600. Remember, I subtract them, and that works. I have enough. We're going to go 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. All right, I have 405 left. That means I can keep on going. All right. So let's try, let's see, how many groups do I want to go with this time? Maybe I can get 50 groups. Let's try 50 groups. So 50 times 6, so 5 times 6 is 30. With that 0, do my subtraction step. 5 minus 0 is 5, 0, 1. All right, I still have 105. That means I can keep on going. All right, let's see, let's try 10 groups. 10 groups of 6 is 60. And I'm left with 45. All right, I'm definitely getting there. But I can still take out groups of 6. Let's see, now let's try 7. Let's try 7 groups. 7 times 6 is 42. And I have 3 left over. All right, so since I have 3 left over, that means I can't take any more groups of 6 out. Now I'm going to back it up, and I'm going to count up how many groups in total I took out. Well, let's see. I took out 300 groups, and then 100 groups, and then 50 groups, and then 10 groups, and then 7 groups. So in total, how many groups did I take out? 300 plus 100 is 400, plus 50 is 450, plus 10 is 460, plus 7 is 467 groups. With, remember, how many were left over? 3 were left over that could not make it into a group. So remainder 3. So my answer finally comes out to be, I took out 6 467 times,